welcome back to Jamie Take. In today's video, we are going to create a stunning AI avatar cartoon AI image, right? So it was quite difficult for me too. Everything was paid. We were not able to get something free of cost. So what we are getting is just all in all, we need to go to Canva and just select any size from there. For example, I'm going to go to the Canva and here, oh gosh, here, and look at this. I'm going to create with a new size. Hey man, what's going wrong? Where is it? Okay, custom size, and here the picture. And all in all, I have to go to the apps, and I will simply click in AI images if maybe and which one will be this. I need to copy it from there. Which one? Gen AI. Hey, where is it? What's our apps? Yeah, Gen Portrait. We can tell it Gen Portrait. Yeah, this is the app that we need to install, and this I have already installed and open. Just what else we can just drag and drop the image. This is what we are going to try, and just generate the portrait, and it's creating. The result will be maybe same as previous because it's an AI. Let's wait for best. It's quite late. We need to go back. Hey, come on, hurry up. We need to go. Come on. Yeah, we got it. Oh, now this time so cute, more than that one. Look at this. I hope you like it. It's more cute than previous one. We can drag and drop the another one. This one, man. This is what we have converted to. Which one looks good? This one, so cute and quite similar. Have many fun features generically. So that's how you can do that. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Goodbye for now. Bye.